So, Shruti, it was wonderful seeing you after a long time. And this time you're looking so fresh. And you give us again the positive waves as you always after seeing you.
Thank
So,
you.
Shruti, I just wanted to know, as you know, we all are in the same boat, you know, lockdown. Everybody must be asking you, where are you right now in Mumbai, Chennai? Where are you
I'm in
staying?
Mumbai. Yes.
You're not with your family right now?
No, none of us in the family are together. My father's in Chennai, so is my sister, but they aren't staying together because we all have different travel routes, so we don't want to like mix them up.
Okay, so you must be missing your family this time. How people are coordinating like with this time?
Yeah, I mean, I do miss my family, Neha, but I'm also used to being away from them. We're all used to being away from each other.
So how this time what is your daily routine now? I mean, how you're
I
making
wake up,
yourself
I
busy?
wake up, I make my bed. I mean, I really want to tell everyone just make your bed every morning. It's such a small and simple thing, but it just makes you feel really good. Also, don't laze in the bedroom all day unless
I
you live
know.
with people and you have only your bedroom.
I
Um,
know.
I wake up, I make my bed, I make myself some tea, coffee, usually, well, not coffee, tea. And I skip breakfast mostly. And
Oh,
then I clean, work out, and then I start either writing music or I do stuff like this, which is talking to people, connecting. Some days I am shooting something for someone like the Harper's cover, which I did,
yes.
or I recently did another commercial. So it's been actually very busy. I've started writing a lot. So yeah, it's been good.
How you take this if we were all thinking, Arya 21 days hai. Then it all get extended again.
Oh, I
Then it
knew it
got.
was going to
How
be a long time.
you know that? You were
I don't know
prepared for
why
that.
I knew, but I just knew. I was like, there's no way it's like Corona isn't going to be like, oh, you guys stayed in for 21 days. Bye. Okay. No, it's a
Yeah.
virus. It will keep mutating and multiplying. And. So I knew it's definitely going to be maybe even 2 months, which is kind of like we're in 40 days now. Now, everybody is going to come out. I don't think people are going to distance themselves as much as they should, which is what I've been trying to say on my social media as well to people is it's not like, okay, lockdown అయిపోయింది, khatam ho gaya, chalo, let's all go down and like squish each other and spread it
Yeah.
all over again. So
True.
I'm going to keep staying inside till I'm called to work. So I would suggest the
Hmm.
same for people.
If you
Not
have to
going
go for
out?
a shoot.
Yeah, not
Not
going out.
after the lockdown, like what, after 2 months, anyways, we all have to
See,
go
like
out.
I
There will be
said,
a time.
Neha, if I'm called to work and the flights are running, I'll have to go.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
before that, I don't have to go anywhere and I'm not going to.
So you start cooking also, everything is done by you. You have a helper.
I've always cooked myself. And during lockdown, I'm cooking even more.
So what's the last favorite dish?
I did a very English TV dinner with lemon pepper chicken, and rice, peas, and cream spinach.
So you're eating alone?
Why
Yeah.
do people find it weird if people eat alone? I think it's very good to enjoy your meals by yourself.
Okay. And ma'am, recently you had a word with your friends. You can share it from your industry. I mean, recently you had a word. I mean, recently you talked to your favorite actor or actresses, your friends who are in industry and
Oh,
shared
me.
some of them. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, no, the one I really keep in touch with is Tamanna. So I spoke to Tammy
Okay.
recently, and she's also like practically my neighbor. So yeah.
Okay. And how you're like talking to your father, how your father is taking care of you, and you are
How do you
giving
like talking to
advice.
your father? It's the same.
Like
I
that is
don't think I need
something
to advise my father. He's a very conscientious person.
so how this days again is like same days will be for you lockdown because anything you wanted people to follow out of this way because there are things some people are not ready for it like they are like oh kab khatam hoga how
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah. Yeah, the thing is, people are in this, oh, I'm so bored. I want to hang out with my
yes.
friends. I mean, that's not the priority right now. Like, I keep saying it's an unknown virus. You can't
Hmm.
talk to it and negotiate. You can't make it understand. We have to understand and we have to be careful.
And movies the regular way of watching movies recently I mean you're watching tvs more nowadays.
I just watch like whatever Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar, the usual.
No, no, I'm asking a line which you can share with us, which always with you at the time when you're so you have to be very strong, right? Right now, you are handling
Be
everything.
kind. That's the line that I like.
Okay.
Be kind. It's really simple to yourself and to others.
Shruti, when I see you, I always think, Shruti ko puche kya? She's always with answers. So just, I wanted to ask you any three questions you think they are important at this time, which should be focused more from your side.
See, the only thing I would tell people,
Hmm.
not to sound too preachy or advice, is we've been so busy and distracted with life before this. So I would say now is a good time to ask yourself questions, things you've been avoiding. Maybe about your personal life, maybe about your career, maybe about your friends, maybe about your choices. This is a good time to sit and think and question yourself. Like you
Hmm.
asked, how do you eat alone? Like you find it surprising. I don't. I love eating alone. I made
Hmm.
that food for myself and I love it.
Hmm.
I like spending time with myself. I'm really enjoying keeping in touch with people I've lost touch with because I've been busy with work or shoots. I'm enjoying making new friends through social media, through my friends, whatever.
Yes.
So it's really about connecting with people without ever having to see them or touch them, which for me is fantastic because I really like being by myself.
And you just said that you feel so happy, you were not having a touch for a long time. Who are the three friends and you feel so happy after, talking to
My
them?
friend
Who are
Brian and
they?
I have been speaking every day. Brian lives in America, and usually he calls me once in 2 weeks anyway, but I've been speaking to him every day. My friend Amrita calls and checks on me every day, which is really amazing. And who else do I talk to every day? Basically, just these two people. But then there are lots of people from my past, from school, and from like who live in other countries. So I'm speaking to all of them now. But these two people, Brian and Amrita, like check on me every day, which is really nice.
Thank you, Shruti. I mean, it
Thank you.
was so beautifully talking to you. You can just end up by saying, of course, you just said that we should not start preaching, but people listen to you, people follow you. So, would you like to say something
I
ending
would
by
just
at
like
this
to say,
situation?
I would just like to say that this isn't a comfortable situation for any of us, but we all have the chance to be thankful for what we have now, our food, our home, our shelter, because a lot of people don't even have that. So it's about being thankful, being wise, and being careful because our health is really something of most value. So it's about being responsible for that and not trying to act like Superman or He Man.
Just a question came to our mind as we all are now putting our more efforts on social media, we are spending more time on social media. So last video which you enjoy the most. I mean, you must be watching the videos, right?
Yeah,
The
there
so
was a
many videos are
video.
coming.
I really have not enjoyed people saying, "Oh, I've never mopped in my life. I'm doing mopping." Like, no, like, get
Yeah.
over it. Because you should be able to take care of your own house, not just your domestic help. Like, you should be
True.
able to mop, you should be able to sweep, you should be able to dust, you should be able to cook and do your own dishes. Otherwise, you don't have pride in your own home. So I'm not like, oh, it's so funny that the celebrity was mopping. Like, no. Um, I
But
think it's
your
funny
favorite
because
video.
people are like have a lot of time on their hands and they're coming up with really funny things to do with their time. So there was this guy who like had all these pans and this plastic ping pong ball and he made like music out of it. That was funny.
And then you would like to just share your favorite comment last, which you've been in touch with your fans.
Such an outpouring of love and support. So I can't pick just one. My online family is amazing. I love them.
The future projects, I mean, after the lockdown, we should be positive, and there will be a lot of projects for you which have been, I mean, stopped for a time being. So, can you would like to share what was your
Right now
plans
I have
after that?
Crack and Labam, which I have to finish. Then I'm
Hmm.
looking at what I can do next.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shruti, ma'am,
Thank you.
talking to us. It was
Thank
wonderful.
you.
And keep
Such a
talking
pleasure.
to us.
Bye.
Thank you.